Hello, what's going on guys? So in this video I'll be showing you how you could archive products and remove them from your single products list and from your combo products list. So in order for you to do that, you basically have to select the products that you want to archive. So all what you have to do is just select the product from the left side of the screen, and then once you click here you'll see all the action buttons show to you right here. So you're going to need to select the archive button, which is right here. Once you click the archive button, then this product will be removed from your single products master list, and then it will be placed and moved to your archived products on the side. So let's try and do this. So it says archive successful. Now if we go to archived products on the left side of the screen, you will be able to see that the product has been moved here in this page. Now what you could do is that you can select the product and click activate, so that will push the product back into where it came from. So if it's a single product, it will be placed back in the single products list, and if it's a combo product or a collection, then it will go to the combo product, or it will go back to the collection folder. So this is how you archive and remove products from your main page. Once you archive a product, you're not going to be able to map it to a channel product, and you're not going to be able to sync it and push the data from this product to the channel. So you got to keep this in mind. Once a product is archived, then it also gets unmapped and it cannot be used in mapping or in syncing. So yeah, this is just a note to keep in mind.